Hello everyone, welcome back to our little channel. So we are officially chefs. Alright, Chef Patrick is washing the pork chops. Make sure to wash them and then dry them fully. It's really important that you wash them, you don't want no germs. Yes, Patrick massaged that pork chop.
I know germs taste good, but like.
Alright, so show us what you're gonna put on the pork chops, Patrick.
We're gonna put
Some lorries. Okay, just don't put too much. Sprinkle it on both sides. And then rub it. Rub. This is at the gusto, you know, if you like it nice and salty. Then
mine nice and salty.
Okay, just make sure to rub them. Yeah, give them a little massage. Massagey. You can use all your fingers, Patrick, not just one.
No,
just don't lick them after. Alright, now we're gonna get our iron something. I forgot for a second what it's called. You're gonna put all your little chuletas, your pork chops on there. After you have already rubbed the lorries on both sides, and we're gonna put this in the oven. We have already, we're preheating it for 375, so we gotta wait a little bit. Meanwhile, I am making the salsa for the pork chops. The recipe is on one of our previous videos, so if you guys didn't watch that video, make sure to go check it out. And we are boiling the little water for our spaghetti. Well, it's not really spaghetti, but it's pasta. Rigatoni. Mistake on the name is not rigatoni, it is messy rigatoni. So once the water has come to a boil, we're just gonna wait for a little bit and then we're gonna pour it in. So let's give it like 2 more minutes. It is now time for these to go in the oven. Go, Patrick, go.
Mention the thing that you forgot to do.
What? Oh, I put a little bit of oil in there. I forgot about it. Thanks, assistant. So put it in there. Be careful not to burn yourself, Patrick. All the way in. Okay, it's ready to go in, Patrick. Stick it in slowly. Not that slow.
You didn't feel it.
We didn't, but we heard it. Slowly, because it will splash. Like this, look at. That's why you still need your mother. Alright, so meanwhile that starts to cook, we're going to check on our tomatoes, flip them around. Because I have nail honey, I just turn like this. Otherwise you use tongs until your tomatoes are nice and soft. And yes, I did wash my hands. Alright, so for the sauce for the pasta, we're going to be adding 2 tomatoes, 2 garlic cloves. If you have tomato sauce, then you can do that instead of the tomatoes, but I don't have any tomato sauce, so this is what we're working with. Some onion, pretty much like if you're doing rice. And then we're going to add some garlic salt and some chicken bouillon. And I'm going to go ahead and steal a chile de árbol from over here because I like to spice it up a little bit. And you thought I was gonna stick my hand in there? No, Felicia. So I'm just gonna get 1. You don't have to do this part, but I like it kind of spicy. Actually, let me steal 1 more. We like everything on fire here. So again, the salt is al gusto. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of chicken powder. We're also going to need some water and some sour cream. So I'm going to get about this much of water and I'm going to throw it in there just so that it blends easier. And now squirt some sour cream in here, Patrick. We're using the Daisy, not too much. Ooh, there. So that's how much we're going to add. You could add more if you want to, but we like it spicy, like I said, so we're not going to add too much. So let us blend this and let's see what it looks like. Alright, so this is what they're looking like fresh out of the oven. Let's see, I'm gonna flip them for Patrick. Meanwhile, he gets a spoon to taste our sauce. They looking good. So, no, we don't put the cheese yet, Patrick. Have it taste. Don't drink it all. Look at that, sir. Just less than that. We need it for our pasta. Es probete, no llenete. How's it?
Take the tomato.
Does it need salt? Does it need chile? With it need some salt? Alright, so I think we can put the sauce in already. I have already gone ahead and blended it. So I'm just going to put a little bit of sauce on them. Just to give them some color, honey. And again, the link to the recipe for the sauce is available on one of our previous... the fuck am I saying? We already recorded the recipe. Just go check one of our previous videos and you can find it there. Delicious. Tell me your mouth is not watering. Sir, stop eating our cheese. We need it. Yes, we caught you red-handed. No, no se pueden andar comiendo la merca. Patrick, come check to see if your spaghetti is ready.
My rigatoni.
Your rigatoni. Do you remember what it means when it's ready?
Throw it on the wall.
Not this one. You have to taste it. So grab one. Oh shit, it went through the hole.
Grab it and rip it open and then throw it on the wall.
Alright, the pasta is nice and ready. So pour in our salsa mixture, or sauce, I mean. Ooh, yes, honey. Mixy, mixy. No, it's not spicy at all. Alright, put some cheese. So we're gonna throw in a lot of cheese so it could be nice and streamy. Andaba en la tienda yo ahí en el 1 cuando cambiado de dueño.
Donde era pura comida michoacana. Yo creo que ahí lo perdí.
Padre.
Como diciendo, ¿lo llevaré o no lo llevaré? Y le digo, no.
Now we just need a little green. Patrick, so now time for the taste test. Wow. How is it? How'd it come out? Bomb?
Spicy.
Okay, now the pasta.
Warm.
Mm.
Good. Exquisite.
Oh, okay. Okay, chef.
Big words. High school student.
Come on. Stop teasing. What would you grade it?
A+.
I have like a little glare. Oh, I think it's the sun, huh? Hi guys. So now it's time to eat our food. We're gonna keep our outfit because it's just so cute, huh? How about that?
I'm too lazy to take it off.
So this actually took longer than expected. Do you guys like our new plates? It looks like macaroni. I bought them at Costco for $20, honey. So Patrick, you excited to go back to school?
High school?
I have no opinion.
Patrick goes to start school in 2 days.
Frightening.
He starts high school.
Bomb. The pasta did come out a little salty, but that's it. It's bomb.
My favorite. Oh.
So we like to eat everything with chile. That's why I decided to add a chile de árbol.
Excuse me?
I stole his napkin. You need to give us all napkins, especially me because I get dirty all the time. Pass it on. Next, we need microphones with ASMR.
That's the favorite.
Mm-hmm. So cheesy.
It's about to be 2 minutes and I'm already almost done.
Zane, you eat too fast. Now you need to talk.
Yeah.
Answer the questions.
If you finish first, you're gonna talk.
That's why 8 seconds.
This is one of my favorite foods. ¿Ma, no vas a comer?
Voy a usar mi té.
¿Te falta tu bok choy?
No voy a usar mi té.
Normally, I get more pasta because it's my favorite, and then less pork chop. Because I love this pasta. I could eat it by itself. I don't need no fucking pork chop.
I need pork chop.
But that salsa that we put on the pork chop, bitch, it goes good with everything. I eat it with my eggs. I eat it with my pork chop. I eat it with carne asada.
Even with cereal?
No, not that, Patrick.
That's not everything.
Almost with everything. Bomb. Let us know in the comments if you want to see some breakfast recipes. Like, I wanted to make pancakes today, but Patrick is like, I don't like pancakes. But I do like pancakes and French toast. Or if you have a recipe that you want us to do, send it over here.
Or do you want to send us some food? Send it over.
Some food or something for us to wear, like a bikini, and
I'll wear a two-piece.
fuck it. And you, Patrick?
What?
What should we name Patrick? Like
I would-
Chef Patrick?
I would wear the two-piece for the views.
Fuck it, me too. I'll put on a mustache if I have to. My face looks a little chubbier. I got sauce in my ear. These nails are too long for me. You guys are not gonna talk?
Yeah, I'm in Chile.
So how's your day?
Amazing.
I don't know. Fine. I made some food today.
Are we gonna get an ice cream after this? Because my time is dead.
Ice cream.
I still have ice cream. Do you? You finished yours already? Patrick actually needs to go to a backpack. Where can we find one?
That's cool.
On Amazon?
No, mom. Well, not yet.
We're gonna
go.
Oh, like you're gonna steal the backpack?
But we can only hijack in like 2 days, and even that doesn't. That's a lot of work. Emptying it out, too much work.
Just buy one instead. Or find one of those kids that has a soggy looking backpack. That means you don't got nothing in it.
Perfect. Let's work.
Perfect. And then you draw on it so they don't know it's theirs.
That's-
And just kidding.
I want a light backpack just so I could do that.
A light one?
Yeah, like a teal or something, or a white one, or red.
The other day when we were at the warehouse, Patrick, I showed you a white one. You didn't get one.
Yeah, cause I didn't have this idea until like last night.
I told you you could draw on it.
And I said, man, fine. And then I recently had the idea of, what if I draw on it?
It's because I swear, whenever I give Patrick an idea of anything, it's not interesting. But anybody else gives him that idea,
You know, it's not anybody else. It's if I just randomly
everyone
give
else.
myself.
Like, we were at the shoe store the other day, and I was like, look, Patrick, these shoes are nice. He didn't care for them because he was looking at the price too. But then his puppy here, it's like, look, Patrick, look at these. Oh, he liked them better. And I'm like, rude. Anything he tells them is nice, he likes. Anything I say is no.
It's because you make it sound like it's my only option.
How?
You want these? Yeah? Look, and they're even half the price than all the others. You want these?
It's because I get excited. Like, you have to say yes. So I'm taking applications for adopted kids. Now we'll take whatever I choose.
And hope that they want expensive things?
Mm-hmm. Now, if you want me to buy your shoe and take it to Disneyland, I'll take you. Because Patrick didn't like it. No, just kidding. Patrick would like to go to Disneyland. But he says no to me.
Se me hinchan las condenadas con los cables rojos.
You're going for round 2, Patrick?
Estoy hirviendo el agua para el té acá que me voy a tomar.
Did you just do what I think you did? Burn yourself?
No, it's warm. Now I'm like, I don't know. Hold something that's warm.
Mm-hmm.
If it was just hot, I would be like,
I'm already getting full.
What's your next recipe, Solan?
So me and one of my clients actually were brainstorming, and she told me she was gonna send me a recipe for us to try, because I told her that I just want to do recipes that are easy and not intimidating.
I like doing easy and not intimidating.
Because I remember when I would look for recipes, it would tell me like 30 different ingredients, and I'm like, I
thought we were gonna do pozole.
Pozole?
That's like one of the hardest Mexican dishes.
Maybe in the fall, but
It's about to be fall. And I'm about to fall.
That's why I in the beginning I didn't want to learn how to cook, because it was hella intimidating. Not here, girl. Right here we got all the easy dishes. Huh. That's why I know how to cook. I'm really into food already. What happened? You hit yourself?
No. Nothing
Take the
happened.
microwave.
Nothing at all. Nothing at all.
I'm full.
Hi,
Are you full yet?
Getting there.
Don't forget to subscribe to our little channel. I forgot how many subscribers we had last time, but I know we've been lagging to put up a video because it's work. Somebody's like, get that money, honey, but it's like, we don't get paid for this. This is just for fun. So we gotta take it a little slow, because we don't know that many recipes either. Huh, Patrick?
I know
We're gonna
tons
have
of
to-
recipes. I just don't know how to cook them.
We're gonna have to get my mom or my mother-in-law to do a video. Cooking with grandmas. That'd be funny, huh?
Toma.
¿Con pico de chile que has estado ahogando?
No, se me fue.
Se te
En
fue el
es-
lado,
El espagueti para no.
You want to?
Wow.
Bless you.
Mm. It's so good. It's so good. Patrick got seconds. He didn't even ask if we were sharing. I'm just kidding. I'm full as fuck. Should we get our director?
And
Our director slash
commenter
hubby
in the back one.
slash
What?
to do a video?
Do a video?
Yeah, like a cooking video.
Only if I could make a sad sandwich.
Mm-mm.
And
Excuse
then
me.
us over here come over here and fix it.
Mm-hmm. Updating it. No more sandwiches. We already have sandwich in the channel.
You guys already did sandwiches?
Mm-hmm. You could make like that torta thing that you made yesterday. That was pretty bomb. Simple.
That was not
Bomb.
simple.
No?
No?
Simple
It looks,
looking.
yeah, it looked pretty simple. That's what we get. That's what we're getting. Yeah.
But the actual process was not simple.
Yeah, well, let us know in the comments if you guys want that. More faces in the channel.
They don't know what they're getting.
But I charge to show my face.
Well, then just from the
Pero
neck
ya no
down.
tengo más
From the
de
neck
la
down.
carne, no
Yeah.
puedo dar. Me pica mucho, dicen.
From the
No
neck
puedes
down.
comer.
Put me a filter on my face.
Uy, te va a arder la cola.
Like the sensor.
Mm-hmm. They just want to hear your voice
They are hearing my voice.
and see your little hands.
My hands are not lit.
Patrick, you're not full yet? Ken? You can't do ASMR, Patrick. You don't have
I'm
nails.
done.
Patrick's not done yet. I'm done too. My plate is empty. So, like I said earlier, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a little like. Leave us a little comment. That is our motivation. No like, no comment.
No videos.
We get shad. We get la hora shad. So we need to pump Patrick up over here because this is his channel. Well, it's our channel, but it's gonna be his in the future. So y'all want this channel to survive, we gotta
Chef Washing?
yeah, we gotta motivate Patrick here and show him some love. Huh, Patrick?
If you guys don't sub and like, you guys are the reason why I cry myself to sleep each time that one person, Jacob,
Who's Jacob? Oh.
doesn't sub or like, I cry.
Come on, Washing, eat up because today's trash day.
Woo!
favorite
Ice
day.
cream day. All right. Well, we'll see you guys next time. Hopefully not in like 3 weeks, maybe sooner. But
In 3 weeks?
yeah, we upload like every 3 weeks.
I'm gonna have to wait to eat till then.
All right. Can you get the camera a little closer now so I can pause it? Bye, guys. See you next time.
Bye.
Say bye, Patrick.
Bye.
Bye, Patrick.
Bye.
Remember, we always have to end with that.